Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks. And in this video I'm going to unbox the HONOR MagicPad 2, show you the device and what's in the box. And in tomorrow's video I'm going to follow up on this and set the HONOR MagicPad 2 up. So let's start. As usual, this is the packaging with nice colourful reproduction of what the tablet looks like inside the box. On the sides, pretty limited branding, a bit of HONOR cool branding on one side, spec sheet, and this looks like details about the manufacturer, and a few logos about high-res audio, Google Kids Space, and so on. So I'm going to open this up with these relatively inaccessible tabs. It's probably easier if I take out my jerry rig everything knife, which has been great use recently. Thanks, Zach. And there we have the packaging. So first things first, we have the tablet with a bit of illustration on the protective paper that's on the screen. It just shows you where to attach where to magnetically attach the HONOR Magic Pencil, which is sold separately. So it's at the top of the device, just above the selfie camera. Now I'm going to pull the tablet out of the device and let's look at what else is in the box. Right, this seems to be documentation. And power cable. That's all inside a cardboard box. Cardboard box has, let's see, in this case this is a quick start guide, warranty card, and some additional details about parental controls. And the USB-C cable, which we see here, is a white one, so white USB-C cable with white USB-A ending on one end, so white, and USB-C on the other. No charger in the box, but that's pretty common with most devices nowadays. Yep, just checking all the extra bits. So just a USB-C cable. Now, I'm not too upset. I have plenty of chargers, and this HONOR MagicPad 2 was part of a purchase I made with the HONOR Magic 7 Pro, and as part of that I did also get a 100-watt charger. Now, I haven't unboxed and done a video about that yet, but be tuned to the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel to watch that video separately. Right, now the HONOR MagicPad 2. I have not had an HONOR tablet in quite a while, and first impressions are wow. It's thin, it feels relatively light, and it has very nice ergonomics. Now the HONOR MagicPad 2 comes in two colors, black and white. This is specifically the white colored one. Let me just take the sticker off here. Is that going to come off? Yes. So this is the sort of white marble-like finish, and it is very, very pleasant to not only the touch, but to be seen. So yes, HONOR MagicPad 2, this is specifically the 12.3-inch model, and it is quite stunning how nice it feels to hold. Now the back is definitely plastic. It looks like marble, but believe me, it's not marble. And on the front, we have what is supposed to be a 12.3-inch OLED display. Now, that's a 144 Hertz display. Nice inky black here, despite the reflection from my ceiling. Powered by Android. It is a stunning display with relatively minimal bezels all the way around, and even bezels. So we've got a bit of Magic OS logo, and now you see how even the bezels are all around the device. I'm really quite impressed by that display. And it is 3000 pixels by 1920, so it's a full HD display It is really quite impressive to hold. Wait, no, that's 1920 by 1080 is full HD. This is QHD. Now, we'll go through the setup in a separate video, but just to call out a bit of the hardware that's here. At the top, you have, let me just switch off the tablet. At the top, you have a selfie camera here. This is a 9 megapixel affair. It should be fine for video calls and for some basic things. On the back, you have actually a camera with flash, with LED flash. That's a 13 megapixel autofocus unit, which is capable of recording video in 4K at 30 frames per second. So just be warned, if you see me at an event, I'm probably the one holding up an HONOR MagicPad to recording videos on a tablet. No, I'm just joking, I'm not. In terms of the rest of the device, you've got the volume rocker at the top, microphone holes there, double speaker setup with multiple speakers in under each grill, and a power button at the edge there, nothing on the bottom level, and your USB Type-C port on the right hand side or the bottom if you're holding it in portrait mode. So very nice industrial design, surprisingly light for what it is, and it has a lithium polymer battery under here. It is a 10,000 milliamp hour battery, which is quite a significant battery for such a light and thin device. I'm really quite impressed. Now, it does feel a little fragile. Obviously, you're holding an expensive OLED display. I do have a case that I purchased for the HONOR Magic 2 tablet. I will be unboxing and reviewing that in a future video here on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. But let's wrap this one up. As you saw, we've unboxed the device. All there is in the box is a bit of documentation and a USB cable, and obviously the tablet. You will need to purchase a case separately and most likely a charger as well if you don't already have one. But for now, I'll wrap up this video. Thank you for watching if you made it this far. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, and anything else we think makes the travel experience better. But for now, goodbye from me.